Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Conrad kongkal Sangma ulapan pau ke Jingpynheh baka kam Pyndep akakat lingsun ha ka kat lingsun ke badan Umroi kan yat bet kat kum kapor ke balabo wala don ki kenrom kenram ki batmai ki balami kam tam halor kamat ke bahiar bat kiau ki lingsun ki bahia ulapan pau bagi don ki jingten jo ki babuan kentop ya ke jingsha akadau ha katanat Directorate General of Civil Aviation halor kimat ke bedai bagi jingshingan jigi lingsun bat kum jo ki breu ki basyong basa ha katokathan Ulang bag sarkar ketemu ban Pyndep ke Jingpynheh ke Runway kenang ban ailat ki lingsun ki bahe ban hiar bat kiau hapoh rempang ne ulber jong ke Snem arjar arpuhnyo. Menteri Rangba ula banjur bag Jingpynheh ke nikakat lingsun kalong kebadan kampha na kebenta ki kampenroi jong ke jela bat ke jinglet jingwan ki pat ba.
We are overcoming all the challenges. Things are on track. Small issues keep cropping up. We have issue of also another land issue that has come up again, which we are trying to resolve. I don't want to go too much into details, but that also is something that DGCA has flagged to us, and that involves again some land issues. And obviously, more importantly, the safety of the flight and safety of the people residing in that area. So we are working on that front also. So while that particular issue was not flagged to us earlier, it got flagged when DGCA got involved, and rightly so. And therefore, it again put up another challenge for us. We are now working on that part. But in the meantime, as I said, the expansion of the runway and the work that is to be allotted should not be delayed. We don't expect much delay anymore. Once that part is done, then the construction will start. And while the construction happens, we will be working towards resolving the other pending issues that are there, which I'm very, very sure and confident that we should be able to get to that conclusion. But as I said, I don't want to share with you right now, but it's to do with, again, land issues. But apart from that, we are on track. I don't expect to have much delay. We had a rough estimate that we were hoping that by February, March next 2027, we should be able to start the larger flights. We could see few months up and down, which is okay. But I do expect that 2027, we should be able to complete and reach the target that we had planned.